everyone, we are from Group 8, 10A class. Now we're going to present about how to play Ludo game. But first of all, let's introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Syara Kanesha Permadi.
My name is Jara Hadi Lestari.
My name is Muhammad Rafi Watimena. My name is Muhammad Firas Basidi.
My name is Daniel Sultaman Kultom.
My name is Jayati Kanyasanti.
First, let me tell you about what is Ludo game. So, the game of Ludo originates in India as far back as 3300 BC. Easy to learn, this classic game is fun for children and adults alike. Ludo's popularity has gone on to spawn variations such as Parcheesi and Sorry. With centuries of tradition behind Ludo, you will surely become a fan as well. What is needed to play Ludo game? First, the board game. Second, the dice.
Ludo consists of a square board with 4 different colors based in each corner. The first colored space outside of each base is the star position. A path leads clockwise around the board returning to a path with the same color as the base. Then to the home column, which leads to the center home triangle. There are 4 different colored sets of playing pieces, then start off in their matching base. Each set consists of 4 playing pieces. The included dice is used to differ the movement of pieces.
2 to 4 players begin by placing their respective pieces in their base. Each takes turn their throwing the dice, and the player with the highest roll play first. The player to the left follow in turn going clockwise. On each player turn, the player rolls the dice to determine a move. The goal of the game is to move all 4 of the player pieces clockwise once around the board, up the home column and into home triangle.
To begin a play, you must roll a 6 to move a piece out of the base and onto the star position. The piece is in play. The play canton makes art other move until at least one piece in play. If a play has a piece in play, the chain move and on for their piece 1 7 square out the piece are according to the number the roll.
Rules of the 6. If a 6 is rolled, the player can choose to either move a piece out of his base onto the start position of move or move a piece that is in play. Anytime a 6 is rolled, the player gets an extra roll after his move. If a 6 is rolled 3 times in a row, the player loses his turn. Landing on a shared square. If a player piece lands on an opponent's piece, the opponent's piece is sent back to their base where he must roll a 6 again in order to move it out onto the starting square. If a player lands on a space occupied by one of his own piece, that space becomes block. A block space cannot be passed or landed on by an opponent's piece.
When a player's piece has reached the home column of its own color, the piece continues its move toward the center to its home triangle. When a player's die rolls lands its piece on the home triangle, that piece has completed its journey. A piece can only be moved to the home triangle with an exit roll. The first player to have all 4 of his pieces finish their journey wins. The remaining players continue the game to determine the runner-ups.
That's all for our presentation. Hopefully it will be useful. Thank you so much for watching and see you at the next meeting. Bye bye.
Bye.
Dadah. Dadah. Dadah.